Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about whether you guys are able to share a Crunchyroll account or a profile to a friend in 2024. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the thing about this is when you guys go to buy a Crunchyroll account, even if you have like multiple profiles at once, they're all still tied to one account. So this means that the login credentials will remain the same. So there actually is no way to share your Crunchyroll account to a friend or someone else without them knowing the login credentials. So this actually is a long time requested feature by the fan base or the community of Crunchyroll, where they would want to share a profile or an episode. Let's say that they want to do a watch party with a group of friends. So that would ideally be sharing the account or sharing the episode with other people or third parties. So this isn't actually a direct or native feature for Crunchyroll, so as of now, but there are a couple things that you guys can maybe try to be able to watch some anime with your friends. Now, first one is you can stream the Crunchyroll episode, or I should say any anime that you're watching in Crunchyroll to your friends on a Discord server, let's say. So that way you guys can watch it together. Or alternatively, you guys can visit a couple of sites that provide third-party streaming. So something like Watch Party, for example. So let me actually go to their website real quick. So here we are. There are actually a couple of websites that you guys can try. There's Teleparty, there's watchparty.me, there's watch.hyperbeam.com, and as you can see, it supports a couple of different platforms like Netflix, YouTube, HBO Max, and among those is also Crunchyroll. So what's going to happen here is basically you're going to log in your account to Crunchyroll, and all of you guys and your friends are going to go to this website, and you're basically going to stream what you're seeing on your PC or your screen to that platform or that website, so you guys can watch together. And this is all happening live, so that should be no problem. It's basically like sharing your Crunchyroll account with your friends. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so you can show your support to that by subscribing to the channel. So once again, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.